So we purchased a A.O. Smith 66-gallon heat pump water heater to replace our old gas one for a couple of reasons. One, it was 18 years old and nearing its end of life or expected life. And we also, in the process of replacing it, wanted to move it so that it was closer to the point source. We had it on the exact opposite side of the basement as where it should have been, right directly below our kitchen and bathrooms. So we did move it, and we shortened the pipe for the hot water by about 20-25 feet by moving it to a location that was much closer to where we actually use the water. So yeah, just age and wanting to move it anyway, we went to an all-electric domestic hot water A.O. Smith heat pump hot water heater.
All right, so we are replacing that water heater because it came with the house and we've been in here for 12 years, almost 13. In short, we are moving it all the way over here, and we're going to connect it to that trap. It's going into this space because our pipes go up right here and right here. That's to the kitchen. These are to our bathrooms, and we'll shorten the line by about 20 feet. If you can see this, we've got a whole network of pipes where it comes, the hot water comes up, goes around, and then so it comes up, goes around, and then it goes up, and then it goes over, and then it comes all the way across and to right here. This is hot water. It goes through there, and then it goes up into our kitchen. In short, we're going to shorten that pipe. All right, so this is the new hot water heater that's going in, and it's going to replace our old gas water heater. It's a heat pump hot water heater made by A.O. Smith, 66 gallons, and it's all electric. You can see you got air intake, air outtake, air exhaust, and it basically steals heat from the ambient air and puts that heat into the water, which will be stored in that tank. That tank is highly insulated and will hold the heat even if the power's off in the water for a long time. It only loses about 1.5 degrees per day because it's so highly insulated.
Now we selected GB3, or Bill Lucas, to actually do the installation. Bill's been doing this type of work for many years, and he does both hot water heaters as well as furnace installation.
All right, here's the hot water heater, and here are the pipes. So this top one is the hot water, and we're going to cap it essentially at the end here, and he's going to bring in the hot water from down here up to there. This pipe will go away. This guy all the way down over to the old water heater will go away, and then that'll get rid of about 20 feet of pipe, probably more. I probably should measure it, so I'm kind of curious. All right, the reason we want to shorten this line is because due to its length, we wait probably the better part of a full minute to get hot water up to our bathrooms and our kitchen.
Okay, I'm going to shoot the laser thermometer at the intake
for the heat pump hot water heater. Better said, the heat pump water heater. We're looking at 60 degrees going into the heat pump water heater, and then we've got 54, yeah, about 50 degree air coming out of the water heater. So it's taking about 10 degrees out of the ambient air. Now note, we've also put our freezer over in this corner, and that's so that they kind of work together a little bit. It'll help our freezer be more efficient, and it will freeze the food. It'll stay cold easier, won't work as much or use as much energy as a result. So anyway, because they're in the same space. But anyway, that is how the heat pump works.